Hello everyone, I'm Hina Kausar. Today I'm going to show you a double graph. Okay, last class we discussed about here is range, mean, median, and bar graph, mode. Okay, in this bar graph we have two graph. Okay, that is single graph and double graph. Last class I showed you that here a single graph. Okay, here is a given data: Kannada, English, math, science, Hindi. The student got marks in each subject. Okay, this is a graph. Okay, and first one is single graph, this is a double graph. Okay, the same thing I'm going to show you another graph. Okay, here is marks is 100 and out of 100 the student got, here is in Kannada, first test 90, 70, 80, 60, 50. Okay, and second test he got 95, 65, 75, 55, 60. Okay, this is the total number of marks out of 100. Okay, here is a graph, here is a graph, and this is the x axis. Okay, this is a y axis. Here is subject and this is a marks. Okay, Kannada, English, Hindi, maths and science. Here is marks 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, first one is Kannada. In this Kannada subject he got a marks 90. Okay, here is 90. Okay, so draw a line. Okay, see here, here is 90. Okay, draw a bar. And next he got in English 70 marks. English 70 marks. Okay, here is 70. You can take English, scale. Okay, sorry, scale. In Hindi, in Hindi he got a marks 80. Hindi 80. Here is 80. Okay, here is 80. 80. And next in maths he got 60 marks. Here is 60, here is 60. Okay, see here. Here is 60. And next last one is science. Okay, he got 50 marks in a science. Where is 50? Here is 50. Okay, 50. Draw it. Okay, and this is the first test. Okay, first test, this is a graph in a first test. Next test, second test, Kannada he got 95 marks. Here is 95, here 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. This is the middle part. Okay, you can take middle part in between 100 and 90. Okay, this is a 95. Okay, here you can draw it like. This is called it as double graph. Okay, next one is in English he got 65 marks. 65, where is 65? Here. Okay, see here, in between 60 and 70, middle, that is 65. And next in Hindi he got 75 marks. 75, where is 75? Here, in between 70 and 80. Here is 75 marks. Okay, next in maths he got 55 out of 100. Okay, where is 55? In between 50 and 60. Okay, so you can take here. And next last one is Science, he got 60 out of 100. Where is 60? Here. Okay. Here is 60. This is a double graph. Okay. What is this? Double graph. Single graph also. You know that in this single graph you can take any numbers, any marks out of 10 or out of 100. Okay. You can also take in a decimal points. Okay. Okay. This is a double graph. I hope you understand this. Okay. Thank you.